Let's be honest, our wheels go through more dirt than a gossip blog. And no, regular soap won't save them. That's why I tested the Blackline wheel and tire cleaner to see if it's actually worth the hype. Here's the deal. It sprays on like water, but the magic kicks in within seconds. Brake dust, road grime, even that mysterious brown haze on your tires, gone. What I like is it doesn't smell like a chemistry lab and it's safe on chrome, alloy, and even painted rims. I used it on my daily driver, and my tires went from car wash reject to showroom shine in minutes. But here's the catch, it's not a miracle worker if you haven't cleaned your wheels in, say, a decade. You still gotta scrub a little. The difference is, you won't be scrubbing for hours. So, is Blackline worth it? If you want your wheels to look clean without selling your soul to elbow grease, yes. Just spray, wait, and wipe. Simple, fast, effective. Your car deserves it. And honestly, so do you.